So, alright, I have this camera here on video right now, but we're going to change to time-lapse. And here is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'm going to try to turn this on. It may not work anymore because the battery is on empty. As you can see, it doesn't even turn on anymore because the battery is dead. And so the point of this video is to find out how long does it take to charge this camera. Let me take the door off. Makes it maybe easier. Battery out. Battery in. Turn it on. Let's see if that does anything. It doesn't. Okay, so now we are plugging the charger in. Here we watch the time, right? 2:30. Now it starts charging. I have to put it upside down because the charger is here. And we look for when the red light comes off, then we know it's charged. So I'm going to turn this camera here now into a time lapse. So there it is, and charging is done. You're going to see in our... Which one is it? This is the one. This is the right door for it. It's the bigger door. The Hero 9 has a wider door. Okay, so now if we turn it on, when we turn it on, it turns on, and then we can see 100% battery. Isn't that fantastic? Yep. So that's how you charge a GoPro Hero 9 Black. And it's too bad that they don't have a battery available for me, that I can have a second battery ready to switch and the charger with it. So I don't know where to get it. I have to see.